This is a quick introduction video to SOLT paging. SOLT call buttons and watch pages are a low cost but high quality paging choice for your business. In this video, I will run through the different call buttons and staff pages that we have available. Let's start with the SB7 Call Button. This modern SOLT call button allows customers to press the button and send a page to staff wearing a watch or belt pager, speeding up your response times and keeping the customer happy. A great feature of this button is its water-resistant IP8 properties, allowing it to be used outdoors or indoors with extended battery. This is the SOLT SP waterproof IP7 watch pager, the perfect system for staff on the move who must be notified from anywhere on site. Let me show you how these two products work together. For a customer to call a member of staff, all they need to do is press the call button and a member of staff will be paged. For that staff to cancel the call, all they need to do is hold on to the call button and it will send a page saying that has been dealt with. Let me give you more detail about this watch. As you can see, it has a mono FSTN graphic LCD that displays the last 50 calls with call times. It's a lightweight and small design, so staff don't need to worry about feeling uncomfortable with this on their wrists. This watch has a rechargeable battery and a battery status indicator that operates for 48 hours on a single charge. These watch pages and the SB7 call buttons both come with a 2-year warranty and are available now on our online shop, shop.soltpaging.co.uk. Now let's move on to the SB9 call button. The SOLT SB9 call button is a versatile system with 1, 2 or 3 buttons to meet your exact needs. Whether you're a restaurant that wants your customers to be able to request service or the bill, or a hospital that wants to give patients the tool they need to contact a nurse or doctor, the options with these call buttons are endless. Let's take a closer look at the SB9. This label is completely custom to you. It could be anything from service, bill or cancel, or if you're a hospital, it could be request doctor, nurse, assistant. A great benefit of this call button is that it is waterproof and IP8 rated for durability and reliability in various environments. Let me quickly show you how this works with the watch pager. If I press service, it'll say service table 1. If I then press bill, it'll say bill table 1. And then if I want to cancel that page, I simply press cancel. That's how easy it is. These call buttons are available in black or white as a 3 button, a 2 button or a 1 button on our online shop, which is shop.soltpaging.co.uk. Another staff system we have is the SM3 digital display screen. This is perfect for businesses where staff cannot always wear physical pages. The LED display screens can be placed where staff can easily see them. When a call button is pressed, the LED display screen will show the number of the call button that has been pressed. Let me quickly show you how this works. I will use the SB7 call button we spoke about at the beginning of this video. Here we have the SB7. I'm going to press the button and you will see it will notify the LED screen. As you can see, it's telling staff to go to area 1 and the table that has requested service is in fact table number 1. The SM3 33PC is now available on our online shop. Please visit shop.soltpaging.co.uk. This was just a short introduction to SOLT paging. We have many more paging solutions perfect for manufacturing, restaurants, hospitals and retail. Visit our website soltpaging.co.uk or call us on 01782 53 7000. Thank you for watching.